Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer Spin 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've been experiencing issues with your Acer Spin 3's battery draining too quickly, you're not alone. Many users find that their device hardly lasts through a meeting, which can be incredibly frustrating. This often happens due to wear and tear on the battery or background processes consuming power unnecessarily. If left unaddressed, it can lead to complete battery failure, leaving your device unusable. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Acer Spin 3. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully insert it into the gap between the back cover and the body of the device. Gently slide it around the edges to release the clips holding the back cover in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is removed, you'll see the internal components. The battery is usually located on the bottom right side, secured by a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Remember to keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This connection can be a bit tight, so be cautious not to pull too hard. Now, you can lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your replacement battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. Before you put everything back together, double-check that there are no loose cables or components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the screws that hold the battery in place, making sure not to over-tighten them. After that, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Finally, turn on your device to check if the battery issue has been resolved. It's always a good idea to monitor your battery health regularly. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure your device is updated with the latest software and avoid running too many background applications simultaneously. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your battery significantly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.